second of the 2 different filming adventures with my friend Kaylee, who is right there. I had to run ahead because the controls on this are all sorts of wacky using the traditional camera. Anyway, we're out at a place called, I think, Mary's Peak. And yay, I got a thumbs up from Kaylee. It means I got it right. It's a rarity. So basically, we're going up this ridgeside on this mountain. There are supposed to be some pretty beautiful views up in the top, going through this forested area. Still a small amount of snow left on the ground, but all sorts of beautiful things to wander around with. So come join us for some fun. Hiking through the early spring snows, incredible beauty awaits on the top of this Oregon summit. The world is best seen from the mountains above. Last gasps of winter seen in icy pattern.